Welcome to Smart Paper. In this tutorial, we will walk you through how moderators can review and approve questions submitted by the contributors. Open your browser and go to the Smart Paper domain. Enter your moderator ID and password to log in. After logging in, the homepage will open. On the left menu, click on Proofreading. Under that, select Contribution. Then a page will open where all the questions are listed. Select the grade, then choose the subject. You can pick the term and under Approval, click on Pending. You can approve a question directly from the list view. To see the full question and answer, you can click on the Edit icon. You have the option to approve from either the outside list view or from the detailed question view. If you find any error in the question or answer, you can edit it before approving. If the question is incorrect or not relevant, you can reject it and mention the reason for rejection, such as incomplete content or incorrect answer. As a moderator, your role ensures quality and clarity in every question added. Thank you for being a part of Smart Paper.